Alright, just a quick preface. This video, only 30 FPS, the camera that I've got. New one's coming today. So yeah, let's go. Alright, hello ladies and gentlemen to this video. Reviewing the Frost Cutlery Quicksilver Bowie knife. Now, this pretty nice piece of equipment right here is cheeky 15, just over 15 inches long. It's got a stainless steel blade, brass guard on it, which looks pretty cool, and is very nicely implemented. Has a black rubber handle with the Quicksilver silver logo imprint, in it, not imprinted on it. It's sort of like in the knife, as you can see just now, not in the knife, in the handle. It's got a black nylon sheath with it, as many knives do. You know, just a standard sheath you'd get, like in a Intech or I don't know, Walther or Phoenix. Well, Phoenix really do lock knives, I guess. Either way, standard black nylon sheath, pretty good sheath, good value for money. You're not paying for the sheath, you're paying for the knife. Anyway, enough of the sheath. This Frost Cutlery Bowie knife, like I say, just over 15 inches long. 10 1/4 of those inches are for the blade. The rest is the handle. The blade has on it the Quicksilver logo. It's a pretty cool logo. It's a pretty cool name. I'm a fan of the Quicksilver name. The logo is just like a lightning strike, lightning bolt, which is pretty cool. It feels very nice, nicely weighted. I have not weighed it, so I don't exactly know how much it weighs, but it's nicely weighted. I mean, it's a Bowie knife, so of course it is. It has on the handle rope hole. I don't know what you'd call that. Rope hole, something like that. To put a piece of string, rope, whatever through it, to maybe fasten it to your belt or even your arm. I guess actually, you'd probably be best to fasten it to your arm when using it. So if you're slashing at bushes or leaves or something in your garden, you don't like if it slips out your hand, you don't drop it. The grip on it though is ergonomically, well, that makes sense. I was gonna say it's ergonomically inclined to assist your grip, but that kind of a double means the same thing. So not much chance of you dropping a knife when using it. It's got a good grip on it. It's got a little divots for your fingers to go in, so it's all good in that respect. What else we got? Oh yeah, we got a belt carrier on the sheath itself. So it has a loop-de-loop on the sheath that you can throw in your belt. Don't know why it took me so long to come up with that. The blade grind is well, it says serrated. It's not serrated. It's just a regular blade on it. The blade style though is a drop point towards the tip. It drops down, as you can see. Hopefully, future me showing you that in a video. But yeah, that's the blade pretty much. It's pretty wide, not wide, but like tall, I guess. If it was sitting with the blade facing down, it's tall-ish. It's a Bowie knife. It's the kind of thing you'd expect. But yeah, it's a good knife. It's a very nice knife. I would recommend it. It's for on DNA leisure. It's where it was from. So if you've got an extra 30 quid, or if you're looking for a knife, I guess, to go do some tree cutting. Not tree cutting. You're not going to cut a tree down with a Bowie knife. Well, you could, but why? If you're looking for like a bush whacker, and you maybe for some reason don't want a machete, then yeah, the Bowie knife's tip top. This one, good stuff. I'd recommend it. Yeah. If this video was helpful, whatever, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Check the second channel out. And thanks for watching. Support is appreciated. Goodbye.